Hello everybody. I was in my Mini Cooper Coupe today, Sylvester. Went to a quick car show this morning and this happened. So I wanted to see what it would take care of it. The glove box door, just all of a sudden when I opened it, it will now no longer close. Did a quick search on the web, couldn't find anything on it, so I thought I would tackle it and just see what it'd take to fix it. Can't go driving around with an open glove box. So first thing I think I need to do is take out these screws. It's a T20 bit, so I'm going to do that. So I got my bit set out here, and it is the T20, which is right here. That one, there on the end. So I'm going to put that bit and then start taking these screws out. There's one, there's two, and there's three. Let's open this up and see if we can get this off here. Not sure if I needed to, but I'm going to take this side panel off because it's not coming out. Looks like it's connected back in here somehow, so I'm going to take these two screws out. This one. Looks like I also need to take off this piece here, so I can pry that out. There we go. Oh, sure enough, there's a screw back there, so that's what's holding me up. I'm going to loosen this one. I'm not going to take it out, just so I can get to the other one. There we go. So, got that one. The other side over here, we've got a little cover plate here to take off. Pull that out. And there's another screw. We'll grab that one. All right, that's another one. There we go. That's the one I got to get to. I don't have to have an extension. Extension on there, and took that screw out. There we go. That opened it up. So this is what it looks like behind there. Now let's see if we can figure out why that latch doesn't latch. Okay, looking at this a little bit closer, I think I see a problem. So the way this works is the button, when you mash the button on the top to open it, it pushes that lever, and that lever pulls this arm, which I believe makes this latch open up like that, so that this piece, when it closes, it latches in that loop. And if I zoom in here, it looks like that has popped out of its hold, the place that it holds it. So I'm going to see if I can put that back in and see if that's the problem. Popped it down. And I believe that did it. It is now latched closed. Press the button and it opens. So here's a close-up of that mechanism. So again, what happened was that little latch piece popped out of that hole. Now I'm going to take a closer inspection here off camera to see if it's damaged. Did the pin break or shear off, or is this going to happen again? I'm about to head to Minnie's on the Dragon, so I may need to pick up another latch if possible, if that is indeed broke or some way, or if it just popped out. So I'll take a look and be right back. Well, it doesn't appear to be broken or sheared off or anything. It simply just looks like it popped out. Now, it is worn, and I think that may be what it is. It's worn a good bit, but there's still plenty of pin there. I've opened and closed it several times, and it seems to be working fine. Even slamming it shut, it's not budging from that pin seat. See how it kind of goes up a little bit? I think that's just because the head of it's worn. I may try to pick one of these up anyway. I do see a screw on there, so I can adjust it. I'm not sure. That may just be what holds it on. Again, sorry for the shaking camera. I'm trying to do this and hold the phone at the same time, but I think I fixed it. So I guess it's now, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together. And then while I'm up at Minnie's on the Dragon, I'll see if I can't find from one of the vendors a new latch. If not, I'll just order one. And if I go change it out, I'll make another video. Okay, so reverse order, I'm going to go ahead and put this piece back on that has the button on it with the screws up under the dash, cover panels, and then underneath the glove box on the bottom. And I'll be right back. Got the other side in. Let's go ahead and screw this one in. All right, very good. Just screw back in to hold the vent cover on. All right, that's in there. Oh, get it popped in the right place. There we go. Tighten it down a little bit. All right, perfect. Good. Now we're going to put our little cover back on. We'll pop this back on. Just snaps in. Like so. And we have this one. We'll get it put in. Very good. Okay, so we're back together. I got to put a couple of screws in the bottom, but everything's working like it should. I'd say it's a success. Thanks for watching.